Everyone, what's up? It's Anissa, and today, as the title says, I will be talking about Mate the Label. If you haven't heard of them, I found them on Instagram, and everything they're doing is like amazing. They're sustainable. They're all about being better for the environment, and then on top of it all, they're expanding their sizes for plus size people. When do you ever hear that? We have so many brands like Shein or Fashion Nova that are very cheap and accessible for us plus size people, but then they're not like economically, like environmentally great. Environmentally, they're not sustainable at all. But Mate the Label, they're being way better about it. They're extending their sizes. They're talking about being way better for the environment sustainably, and like if you go to their website, they talk about everything. It's like you read it and you're like mind blown. I've never seen a brand talk about this, like especially in the depth that they talk about it. Like they're so transparent in everything that they are talking about. It's amazing. Like just go check them out. But today I'll be showing you a couple things that they sent me. I reached out to them and I asked, like, can we work together? If you ever want a video on how like I get to work with brands, I can definitely do that. I don't work with a lot. I only work with a couple. I don't have a massive following on Instagram. I don't have a massive following on here, obviously. I'm kind of working my way up on TikTok, whatever. But like, definitely let me know and I can like show you, like as a micro influencer, I guess if you want to call me that, how I reach out to brands, my emails, my strategies, everything I do, my editing processes, my whole social media world, and how I do this and how you can get into it. But anyway, I'm going to show you the pieces. They sent me 3 pieces. I got to pick them out. I'm going to show you the pieces and I'll do a little try on for you. So let's get into this. I haven't even looked at them yet. I'm so excited. So here are a pair of their joggers. Oh my gosh. This is them. Why do I hear something jingling? What is that? Oh! Why am I like this? Anyway, I got these in a size 2. So I think they should fit me. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, they feel so warm. I'm cold right now. I'm just gonna like, I'm not gonna touch my face, come wearing makeup. I'm just gonna sit here and be warm. Just sit with me. Let's be warm together. 'Cause it's cold right now. I don't know what's going on. I live in SoCal. Why is it gloomy today? Like our springs are normally summer. Like we usually only have summer. Anyway, moving on. You don't want to sit here and watch me just be stupid. Or maybe you do. Anyway, moving on. I think these are bike shorts. Yes. I bought these bike shorts in a size 2. They're backwards. They're size 2. I just really like bike shorts right now, and the ones I have are from Shein. I got them because I was like, I don't even know if I like bike shorts. I'm just gonna buy some and see if I like them. I think they were like $5, $6, whatever, if I already said that. And I love them, but they're see-through. So let's see if these are see-through. They don't look like they'll be. Maybe a little bit. We'll do the squat test. Want to do a squat test? We'll do the squat test. Anyway. But yeah, these are size 2 again. Over here. And again, I'll try all these on. And then I wanted a boxy t-shirt, so I ordered one. And I got this one in a size 3, just kind of really like oversized t-shirts, especially oversized white t-shirts. Like black, whatever, it can be a little bit more form-fitting. But like white t-shirts, I feel like look so amazing. Look at that. It's not even like, white t-shirts look so good when they're like form-fitted. And when they're not form-fitted. And let's go try them on. Okay, so first, here are the joggers, just with my normal t-shirt. So I have it tied. It's a cute little bow. I absolutely love the little, like, metal end pieces. Here I am again. I love the little metal end pieces rather than like the plastic. Like this is like how they're being more sustainable than using plastic. Like even the little thing that attaches like the tag to the clothing, it's not the plastic piece, it's a little what do you call it, safety pin. It's a metal safety pin. So they're using a lot less plastic and using a lot more metals and stuff. But look how cute these are. They're super warm. The pockets are deep. Like I could put a whole puppy in here. I could fit a puppy in my pocket and just walk around the puppy. But like, and also look at the ankles. Like I love how they fold my ankles and kind of like do that scrunch. Like it's just like, it looks so cute. Like these are so cute to like lounge in and also dress up and go out in, you know, like you could do both. So like, let me go try on the other stuff. I'm getting too excited. Hold on. Okay, so here's the biker shorts with the t-shirt. The t-shirt is actually super easy to put on, especially since I'm wearing foundation. I'm super scared of putting like getting foundation on the neck. Totally fine though. I also love the distressed look of the neck. It's just like super cute. Sorry, I have a mirror right there. I'm just like observing myself, checking myself out. But like these are super cute. And like the Shein biker shorts I have, when I'm wearing them, they're super sheer here. So I'm just standing here wearing them, you can totally see my underwear through them. With this, you can't. Here, let's do the squat test. I know I did squat correctly. No one correct me. But I think it's totally fine. These are so cute. And they're super like thick. So like they're like really nice. Like they would keep you warm like if it's cold. Like these are perfect. The top though is super cute. I'm so happy I got 3X because it's super flowy, which is exactly what I like. But like look how cute. And again, this is another one, like you can style these up or you can just wear them around the house. Like super cute. I love these. I hope you love them too, and I hope you check out Make the Label. I'll put my discount code in the bio. Like, admire. I hope you enjoy the try-ons. It's just 3 items, but still, like, these are really great items. I'm so excited I got to try these. I've been wanting to try Make the Label for a while. I'm so happy they got to like work. I got to work with them. They like I got to reach out to them and they accepted my reach out. Thank you again so much, Make the Label. And I hope you all enjoy this. I hope you please check them out. They're so great. And I love that they have like extended sizing for those of us who are a little curvy, you know, us curves. But thank you again so much for watching. Please check them out. Again, my discount code is in the bio. It tells you how much you're getting taken off too. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.